Hi friends, we meet again. Hacker teams are working around the clock. Thousands of viruses and malware are infecting the globe every day. They are targeting individuals, banks, countries, and companies. Hackers have been successful at large and will show no mercy. Do you want to do something for your community? If yes, you can think of a career in cybersecurity. If you are an IT professional, pay attention. The good news is that India employs one of the largest workforce in cybersecurity domain. What are the prerequisites for a successful career in cybersecurity? You need to have at least a bachelor's or a master's degree in computer science, an engineering degree in IT or computers, or a specialized and credible degree in computer networking and security. If you are already a part of cybersecurity domain, then relax. You are ahead of many candidates. What technical skills are required? You need to be proficient in at least one of the programming languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, Shell or PHP. It will be great if you have knowledge on technologies such as cloud, cryptography, virtualization, IoT, Android, iOS or enterprise networking. The more knowledge you have, the more you will be in demand. What soft skills are required? You need to be a team player or have the ability to lead the team in difficult circumstances. You need to have sharp analytical and problem solving skills. You also need to be an effective communicator. What are the different job designations in this domain? The job designations sound like network security engineer, software security engineer, cyber analyst, security analyst, security manager, chief information security officer, deputy information security officer, bug bounty hunter, forensic data expert, network administrator, system administrator, cyber sales engineer, security auditor, security architect and many more. Each of these designations targets a different aspect of cybersecurity. Where are the jobs? In almost every company. Look around. Next question, how much will you earn on average in India? I have some figures with me collected from reliable sources. An entry-level cyber sales engineer, security analyst, software security analyst, network administrator or system administrator, forensic data expert earns anywhere around 7 to 10 lakhs per annum. A security architect earns 17 plus lakhs. A security manager or any manager in this domain earns around 18 to 24 lakhs. If you are very successful and reach to the top, then a deputy information security officer or a chief information security officer earns few crores every year. Trust me, these figures are from reliable sources and are from 2020. It is well known as one of the highest paying and satisfying IT sectors in India. Which are the certifications you must carry along with you? Certified ethical hacker, certified incident handler, offensive security certified professional, certified information systems security professional, architecture professional, engineering professional and management professional, certified information security auditor or certified information security professional, CompTIA Security Plus, cloud security expert. Cisco has a variety of certifications in its bouquet. You might already be knowing them. I will list some of them. Those are CCNA, CCNP, CCT, CCDE and CCAR. Visit Cisco certifications website for more information. To summarize, introspect before you take any decision in your career. You must consider your skills, strengths, ability to learn, ability to deal with change, years of experience, current field of expertise, your career roadmap and your ambitions before you decide to switch to cybersecurity. This field is extremely vast but promising. You can also consult any friend or colleague who is in this domain from long. If you are already working in cybersecurity, then sky is the limit. The roles, responsibilities and complexity varies according to the designation. You should consider that before you make a move. If you have any doubts regarding cybersecurity, you can put them in the comment box or mail me. My email ID is given in the About Us section. Best of luck. See you soon. Jai Hind.